Hi everyone, I'm Lindsay O'Brien from Bay Realty, Michigan. I'm here at 2258 Old Beaver Road in Monitor Township. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house on a little over an acre. Let's check it out. When you walk in the front door, there's the living room area and also the dining room. The kitchen has beautiful granite countertops with stainless steel appliances, an open concept dining room that leads out to a patio area with a hot tub. And on the main level, we have laundry, which is really nice, hidden away in a closet. You can just close it away. And here we are in the primary bedroom that does have 2 closets, his and hers, and your own private bath. And here we are in the second bedroom on the main level with a very large closet. This room is currently being used as an office. And now we're going to head up to the second level where there's 2 large bedrooms and a full bath that has been completely remodeled. Let's check it out. And this bedroom is being used as the primary bedroom. There's also 2 large closets. Beautiful view of the backyard. And here we are in the 4th bedroom. Beautiful view of the backyard and also a large closet. And here we are on the second level with the renovated full bathroom. And here we are in the basement. This side is partially finished with drop ceiling. That's a great place for the kids to hang out. And here's the rest of the basement unfinished. Great workbench area with an egress window. If you wanted to add another bedroom, you could.
Here we are in the 2-car garage, nice and deep, plenty of room for all the toys. Here we are in the back patio. It is composite deck with vinyl railings. Great place for entertaining. There's also a hot tub off to the side. Here we are in the beautiful backyard. It extends all the way back to the north branch of the Cauqualan River. There's fruit trees back there, plenty of wildlife, great place to gather around the campfire. This property backs up to the north branch of the Cauqualan River. A great place to access with kayaks and snowmobiles. This place has got apple trees.